Congratulations on beginning your Invisalign treatment and your journey to a confident smile. Here are a few tips that will help you along the way. Remember to clean your aligners before wearing them. Wash your hands with soap and water and handle only one aligner at a time. Clean both the inside and the outside of each aligner. Each aligner is marked with a U or an L for upper and lower, followed by the stage number. To insert your aligner, gently push it over your front teeth and then use your fingertips to apply gentle pressure over your molars until the aligner snaps into place. Remember, your aligners only work if they're in your mouth, so wearing them consistently will keep your treatment moving forward. Since the aligners are virtually invisible, no one needs to know you're straightening your teeth. And you can drink cool water while wearing them. If you're eating or drinking anything other than water, you'll need to remove your aligners to protect them from damage. It's also a great opportunity for good oral hygiene. Ideally, you should brush or floss after every meal or snack, but if you don't have a toothbrush with you, rinse your mouth and clean your aligners by holding them under warm, running water. Always store your aligners in a case to prevent loss and damage. Enjoy food with friends. Take photos with confidence. Invisalign doesn't interfere with your social life the way braces can. Aligner removal is simple. Use your fingertip on the inside of your back molar to slowly pull the aligner from your teeth. Repeat on the other side, then remove the aligner. Let your doctor know if you have difficulty removing your aligners. When starting a new set of aligners, switch to your new set in the evening. Rinse the new aligners and wear them for at least 12 hours straight. If you feel discomfort, ask your doctor if you should take an over-the-counter pain reliever. New aligner discomfort generally subsides in a few days. Following these simple guidelines will help improve your treatment experience and your comfort. If you have any other questions, consult with your doctor and visit Invisalign.com to see other patient success stories. We hope you enjoy the confidence of your new smile.